remove the stem of the avocado, it should be green. Avocado green, that's the sign that it's just ripe. And it should have a little give under the skin. Inside. And this is the best way to cut it open. You go around the pit. You let the knife do the work around the pit. Perfect. Perfectly ripe. I quite unceremoniously just squeeze it over my avocado toast and then kind of spread it over the bread. Now, to remove the pit, one whack with the back of the knife takes it out quite safely. The pit does keep it from getting dark, by the way, because it will oxidize. And then if I were using it in a salad, I would just cut to the skin of the avocado. And it's just the perfect size to then be scooped out with a spoon. Perfect, perfect. Now, I like to add, this is a fruit, by the way. Avocado is a fruit. But when I have my avocado toast, I really like to add slices of citrus, thin slices with the skin. Because that way I'm getting my vitamin C and my, you know, and I like to twist it just a little to make it cute, because I'm all about food looking cute. And so there's a seed there, I can take that out, and then I just twist it with a little twist. And sometimes I do this over lox, cured salmon, twist. And there's my avocado toast. When you remove the stem of an avocado, it should look avocado green, that beautiful color where the stem. So this avocado looks pretty beat up, and the stem does not look green. So the areas where it was bruised are woody and dry, and they taste bad actually. But I can scoop out around that, and the rest of it will be creamy. So I've pulled the avocado around that, and this part will be fine. I'm just gonna take that part off as well.